Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your start battery of a Ford Focus. Open the car hood, and if you're standing in front of your car, on the right side there it is the start battery. Under the red cover there's a plus pole, and under the black cover on the right side this is a minus pole. Now connect your multimeter, red to plus and black to minus, and set DC V200, and as you can see 13 volt. That's enough. But now start your engine, and if the result is not under 9 volt, the battery is good. Oh, like this. That was only 11 volt. This is a good battery for the next months or years. So easy it is. Now unplug all and switch to off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.